Welcome to the AI-Com training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add settings to your store. Go to the left menu and click on Settings. Here you can see all of your store-related settings. In the Shop Setting option, you can find your all shop-related settings. In the General setting, you can add and edit all of your basic store details like store name, store description, and much more. Once you click on Save, all of your general settings will be saved. You can also update your shop location at any time with location options. You can create PWA, Progressive Web App, for your store with the help of PWA setting. You can also add additional CSS and JS to your store if you want. You can also update your store theme logo and favicon anytime you want. You can also add your payment methods, either manual or alternative payment gateway, as your payment settings. Please make sure before activating the payment gateway, make sure your currency is supported with your chosen payment gateway. You can also see your subscription in the subscription section. You can also update your domain by requesting a new domain, or you can also add your custom domain. But you can change your domain only once, so choose a new domain very carefully. Thanks for watching the video.